Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, good evening and welcome back in. Still a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings up on the map for us here this evening as we continue to track some heavy hail makers across the southern part of the state. Right now in Breathitt County, we've got a warning until 7 p.m., so another 13 minutes or so. Quarter-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts still with that storm as it continues to work its way to the northeast at about 30 to 35 miles an hour. Close view of that, maybe a little too close, showing us the strong rain chances there for us, some frequent lightning in the mix. Moving right towards Jackson and the radar itself, and so we'll likely lose a little information on that as it continues to inch closer. We may see that warning get extended. Another look down here to our south in Laurel County. Right now over Corbin, we're seeing the best chance for heavy rain and some of the larger hail. 7 p.m. that warning goes to for Laurel County, including portions of Knox County and on the back side of it there in Whitley County. That's until 7 p.m. for this one now ping pong ball sized hail. So it has weakened slightly. We do have some pictures of hail coming in at about golf ball size. I want to show you that real quickly here as we go through it. This was off of X or Twitter, is what it used to be called. Got to change that. But Dylan had that in Alpine, Kentucky. Definitely the size of the palm of the hand. It's about a golf ball size there from that. So pretty impressive on the hail front for us as we continue through tonight. The watch still in play until 8 p.m. for everyone. We'll likely start to see this get trimmed back pretty quickly as these storms start to exit the area. Again, it only goes until 8 p.m. though, so they may just let it cancel, and that'll be the end of that as we go through tonight. The setup that brought us all this was a cold front that's moving in for us. It's going to change things up a little bit. You can see a southwest to northeast flow overall, but as the front gets closer, it pushes the better chances for storms to our east. So we will see this wrap up as we head into the overnight tonight. Futurecast doing a pretty good job of showing that here as it has all of those storms continue on through about 10 p.m. Does want to bring a couple back, but we might lose our severity from them because we've been tapping into the environment already. Waking up tomorrow morning to some scattered rain chances and maybe a little more thunder in the southeast part of the state as we go into tomorrow morning. Then as we roll into the afternoon, we're going to still see some spotty chances for rain and maybe a little bit of thunder here and there. The next couple of days are going to look very similar. The activity doesn't slow down. We're looking at scattered rain and some thunder Wednesday. 76 for Thursday, still muggy, some scattered storms. This is going to be part of the tropical system we're going to be dealing with. Helene's remnants start to roll into town on Friday. Let's take a look at what that's doing now as we continue to track what is now Tropical Storm Helene, moving her way up from the Caribbean into the Gulf. And as she does, she's going to strengthen quite a bit. You can see this is infrared, so it gives us the colors of the cloud tops, showing us how intense all of the thunderstorm activity is there. That's what these darker colors mean. That's a good storm starting to brew up there for us, and it's only going to strengthen. Expected to become a major hurricane prior to landfall in the United States. As we watch this come in, tomorrow morning it's going to turn into a Cat 1, and then Thursday afternoon, Category 3, as it tries to make its way somewhere along that south coast of the Florida's Panhandle. Once it moves inland by Friday morning, down to a tropical storm, and then by the time it works into our area, we're looking at a tropical depression and then remnants, and where it goes from there is going to make a big determination on how much rainfall we see and how busy things get for us. Watch the next big thing as this comes in for the weekend. This model is suggesting that there's already a low over Arkansas to deal with, so Helene's going to push that out, give us heavy rain through Friday and into early Saturday. Saturday looks drier, and then this low continues to kind of spin in behind that, grabbing all that tropical moisture, taking it with it, and ending up bringing us a healthy bit of rain. We could be looking at, over the next 7 days, 2 to 4 inches of rainfall, maybe even some slightly higher totals, all because of today's activity the next couple of days, and then Helene moving in. So that's what we'll be tracking for us as we go through the rest of this week. More storms to deal with tonight. We'll keep you updated on the 7-day forecast, consistent and active.
Download the Fox 56 Weather Authority app today.